Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles and everything that makes them legendary. Today, we're taking a look at a bike that is making waves in the world of sport cruisers, the 2025 Ducati Diavel V4. If you're a fan of performance, design, and cutting-edge technology, this is one bike you'll want to know about. From its stunning V4 engine to its aggressive design and advanced electronics, the Diavel V4 is here to redefine what a cruiser can do. So grab your helmet and let's dive into the details of this incredible machine. The 2025 Ducati Diavel V4 is a motorcycle that is redefining the sport cruiser category, and today we're diving deep into everything that makes this bike stand out. As part of Ducati's V4 revolution, the Diavel V4 is a powerful blend of stunning design, raw power, cutting-edge technology, and undeniable Ducati craftsmanship. Whether you're a fan of performance or design, this bike brings it all together in an unparalleled package. Let's take a closer look at its key features: performance capabilities, design elements, price, and what makes it a unique offering in the market today. To kick things off, let's talk about the heart of the beast: the engine. The 2025 Diavel V4 features Ducati's magnificent V4 engine, a 1,158cc powerhouse that delivers an astounding 168 horsepower and 93 lb-ft of torque. This engine is a significant upgrade over the previous Testastrid 11 DEG, used in the previous Diavel models. The power output is thrilling, yet the bike maintains excellent throttle response and smoothness throughout the rev range, allowing for both everyday riding comfort and thrilling acceleration when you twist the throttle. But Ducati didn't just stop at giving the Diavel V4 insane horsepower. They've engineered it to maintain excellent power delivery with a sense of control. The V4 engine features a counter-rotating crankshaft, which helps reduce gyroscopic effect and allows the Diavel V4 to handle more nimbly than its larger dimensions might suggest. Whether you're cruising on a straight highway or carving through twisty roads, the Diavel V4 delivers a blend of muscle and agility that feels almost too good to be true for a cruiser. Paired with the V4 engine is Ducati's slick 6-speed gearbox and a comprehensive suite of electronic aids that make this a true technological marvel. Ducati's quickshift up and down DCS ensures lightning-fast gear transitions with no clutching required, whether you're upshifting on a high-speed straight or downshifting for tight corners. The Pirelli Diablo Rosso or tires paired with a state-of-the-art suspension system, which includes Ducati's semi-active suspension technology, DSS, offer fantastic grip, stability, and handling even when you're pushing the DAL to its limits. This makes the bike as comfortable on highways as it is on racetracks. The Diavel V4 is also equipped with a full suite of ride modes, including Sport, Touring, and Urban, which adjust everything from throttle response to suspension settings and power output. With the Sport mode, you'll experience full power, razor-sharp throttle response, and a thrilling ride. Touring mode is softer on the throttle and provides a more relaxed and comfortable experience for long-distance cruising. Meanwhile, the Urban mode is optimized for city riding with smooth throttle response and limited power output to make commuting a breeze. Speaking of technology, the Ducati Diavel V4 features the latest in advanced electronics. It boasts the Ducati Power Launch, DPL, which assists with quick, controlled acceleration from a standstill. Ideal for those who love a bit of a performance kick right off the line. Cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and a comprehensive set of riding aids are all handled through Ducati's advanced Bosch 6-axis IMU, which helps monitor and adjust bike performance in real time for maximum safety and performance. All of these performance aspects are framed in a design that is quintessentially Ducati. The Diavel V4 brings forward a muscular, aggressive, and unmistakably futuristic look. The frame is a sleek trellis design, which not only adds to the visual appeal but also enhances the structural integrity of the bike. The aluminum alloy swing arm further contributes to the overall aesthetic, creating a dynamic, lightweight rear end. The lighting system on the Diavel V4 is another design feature that stands out. Ducati has integrated fully LED lighting with a distinctive, sharp headlamp that gives the bike a modern and aggressive front end. The tail section is equally sharp, with a unique tail light design that enhances the bike's futuristic look, making it impossible to miss on the road. The ergonomics of the Diavel V4 strike a perfect balance between sport and cruiser. The wide, well-padded seat ensures long-distance comfort, while the higher foot peg positioning and slightly forward-leaning handlebars give the rider a commanding but comfortable stance on the bike. It's not as laid back as some traditional cruisers, but it's comfortable enough for extended rides without sacrificing the dynamic feel that Ducati enthusiasts crave. Ducati also took a serious approach to weight reduction in the Diavel V4. The bike comes in at just over 500 pounds, which is light for a bike in this category. The focus on keeping the weight manageable, combined with the improved chassis, allows the rider to feel confident when entering sharp corners or when maneuvering through tight city streets. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Ducati Diavel V4 is expected to come with a starting price of around $24,995. This makes it a premium offering in the sport cruiser segment, but given the performance, technology, and design, it's definitely a bike that justifies the investment. It offers something that most other cruisers can't: true sport bike-level performance wrapped in a cruiser body. Whether you're interested in aggressive acceleration or smooth highway cruising, the Diavel V4 is designed to deliver an extraordinary riding experience. What truly sets the Diavel V4 apart from its competitors is its hybrid nature. It's a muscle cruiser with the power and performance of a superbike. Unlike traditional cruisers that focus more on comfort and design at the expense of performance, the Diavel V4 delivers an exciting ride while still maintaining comfort for longer journeys. The combination of Ducati's renowned engineering and performance prowess makes this bike a must-have for enthusiasts looking for a bike that offers both stunning looks and extraordinary performance. Finally, the Ducati Diavel V4 provides plenty of customization options, allowing riders to truly make the bike their own. From different color options to a range of accessories including carbon fiber bodywork, upgraded exhaust systems, and performance enhancements, the Diavel V4 can be tailored to suit your exact preferences. The Ducati Diavel V4 is a head-turner, both in terms of its design and performance. For those willing to spend the premium price, it offers an exhilarating experience like no other. Whether you're a long-time Ducati enthusiast or someone new to the brand, the Diavel V4 will captivate you with its unmatched blend of muscle and agility. It's truly a new breed of cruiser, and for the rider who demands the best, it's a bike that delivers on every level. And there you have it, the 2025 Ducati Diavel V4 in all its glory, a true masterpiece that blends performance, style, and innovation in ways that only Ducati can. Whether you're after heart-pounding acceleration, sophisticated electronics, or a bike that turns heads wherever you go, the Diavel V4 delivers on every front. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and everything you need to know about the world of bikes. Until next time, ride safe, ride with passion, and keep the bike culture alive.